Hi guys, this is Marvin from shopee.com, and a while ago I showed you guys on Facebook a custom keycaps that I got from Shopee for just around 300 plus pesos, and I mentioned that I'm going to make a video about it, so that's what we're going to do today. So let's get to it. This video is brought to you by shopee.com for all your tech unboxing, reviews, tutorials, and tips and tricks. Check it out on the link below. Welcome back guys. So I have here the custom keycaps that I got from Shopee. I specifically ordered color orange. I got the color orange, but it's a little bit off compared to the one posted on the shop. But I think it looks great and I'm going to stick with this. So this is a 104 keycaps compatible with any Cherry MX stems. And this is actually a DoubleShot PBT keycaps material. So let's see one key here. I was able to verify that this is a DoubleShot PBT keycaps, and it's actually compatible with any keyboard with Cherry MX stems, and it's also compatible with Backlit keyboard, as you can see here. I'm going to install it here on my Gigaware K28 Mechanical Keyboard because I think it will fit great on this keyboard. So let me just remove all the keys here and then replace it with the keycaps right here. Cramps, I forgot to use the keycap puller. Okay, now that we've removed the keycaps from my Gigaware K28, I think this is also the best time to clean the keyboard. Just to make sure that everything is in pristine condition. Alright guys, so I think that's good enough for me. So let us install the custom keycaps here on the Gigaware K28. So let's just do a quick unpacking here. So again, it's compatible with any Cherry MX stems. Like for example, Otemu, Gateron, Kale, or even clone switch like this, the content blue switch on the Gigaware K28. So my initial thoughts with regards to these keycaps is the keycaps are actually tight, so I think that's a good sign. So right here I have a bit of an issue. I think the spacebar keycap is not compatible with the Gigaware K28. As you can see, we have here 3 stems, but on the keycap itself we have 5. And these 2 on the side doesn't line up with this 2. So I'm just going to use the old spacebar. I guess we can call it accent. And there you have it guys. I think this looks awesome now. The accent with the black spacebar is actually nice, and I'm liking this one compared to the stock keycaps on the Gigaware K28. By the way, comparing the 2 keycaps right here, the PBT DoubleShot keycap is definitely an upgrade from the regular or standard ABS plastic that we've seen from cheap keyboards like this. So the PBT keycap is much more harder than the ABS plastic, and that the PBT doesn't shine over time, and it has a nice texture on it compared to the ABS plastic keycap right here that is going to shine over time after being used for a long period of time. So here's a good example on that. I have here the keycap on my Razer Black Widow Stealth 2013, and this is an ABS plastic. As you can see, it has already a shine on it. You can see here. So that's the main difference when it comes to the quality of the keycaps compared to the PBT keycap. So yeah, I think this keyboard looks great with the custom keycaps, and I'm really liking it. And there you have it guys. If you're interested to get one of these, I'll put a link on the description to the exact shop where I got this from, so you can check it out. And yeah, by the way, if you haven't noticed, I changed my setup. This is a new angle, new table for unboxing and quick video. I'm sorry if there's a mic sticking in front of me because the echo here is very terrible, and I don't have a lapel mic for the meantime. And here, I'm going to show you. So this is a mic test using the built-in microphone on my Sony RX100 Mark III. I think you're going to notice a lot of echo and the audio quality is not that good. Now, this is a mic test for the microphone that I'm using, which is the Razer Siren Elite, which I got for my birthday, by the way. Thank you for the person who gave this to me. Thank you, thank you. So yeah, I think you're going to hear much better audio coming from this mic compared to the built-in microphone on my Sony RX100 Mark III. So guys, please let me know in the comments below what you think about this new setup. I'm going to use this for my quick unboxing and videos that I want to make spontaneously. Thank you again for watching. Make sure to check the full article link on the description below, just in case you want to check all the details, more details about these keycaps and again the Gigaware K28. If you haven't watched my review about this keyboard, make sure to watch it. I'll put the link on the top here. So again, thank you for watching. Subscribe if you like this and see you next time. Have a great day.